Do you want to know how you can sort your uploads by date in Zedge? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sort your uploads according to date in Zedge. So, go to your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for zedge.net. Now click on web browser and then click on your profile, which is on the right hand corner. Go to your profile page and these are your uploads. On the right hand side you can see the sorted by upload dates. You can click on it and you can see three options. You can either sort by date or older date or by type. You can click on any of these and it will be sorted according to the date. So if you have a lot of uploads and you want to categorize according to date, you can use this option. It's quite simple. Just click on web browser, go to your profile, go to profile page, and you can see these are all your uploads. You can sort it by oldest date, upload date, and title. So this was a video on how you can sort your Zedge uploads according to upload date. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Till then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.